Buckle up, Chuckle Fox, because I'm about to teach you a little bit about the Dickcissel. The Dickcissel is a bird who lives in the Midwest region of the United States. After breeding season, they usually move down to central Mexico to spend the winter in a nice warm climate. The Dickcissel typically eats insects and small grains or seeds. They get their name from the sound their call or their song makes, which sounds kind of follows the rhythm of Dickcissel, Dickcissel. That's how they got the name Dickcissel. They are typically gray and brown in color, and they have a bit of yellow around their head/beak. And that's all I have right now for the Dickcissel. Just a little quick fact.